for another episode of Grounds for Divorce, obviously with my wife. Paula, how are you doing?
Fantastic. How about you?
I'm doing okay. It's these lights, it's hard to get the right lighting so you don't get shadowing happening on the green screen behind us, and then my bald pumpkin is just glowing like Rudolph's nose at Christmas time. It's just like, okay, I don't know what to do. But
Sunglasses, maybe?
we can do that.
Yeah.
Well, I do have Gene Simmons' Kiss t-shirt on here, so probably
You
put on the Gene Simmons sunglasses.
Yeah. And you always comment how your most favorite all-time Kiss song is I Was Made for Lovin' You.
I have never said that at all.
But you always talk about it.
No, I talk about it because that was
How
Kiss.
much you love it.
No. Time out. That is not true. And in fact, actually, Gene Simmons can't stand that song himself. No, that was their disco song, is the comment that I made. But it's not one of my favorite Kiss songs. Not by a long shot. That falsetto part, no.
Just goes to show
What?
that I don't totally know everything about you.
Man of mystery.
Awesome.
You know what was fun though, and I do have the shirt. I'll wear that maybe on the next one. Was when we got to meet the whole Tweed Simmons clan.
Oh yes, I remember.
Yeah.
You didn't want to be in the same shot as me. I remember stood in line for what, 3 hours?
I didn't want to be in the same shot as you.
You didn't. You're like, go ahead of me. And I'm like, what?
I don't remember that. What? Okay.
Yeah, the meet and greet or whatever that was. Yeah.
Well, if I remember right, it was because I had a gift for them. I had some T-shirts and stuff. So I said, just go ahead and get your photo done because it would be too hard. Because they were cranking people through.
Yeah,
Like,
they were.
And I'm like, okay, just go ahead of me because I want to be able to give them the T-shirts, whatever. That was a few years ago now. That has to be.
It was fun.
8 or 10 years ago.
I thought it was hilarious because I go in there and boing! It's like I was in the land of the major giants. Like they were so tall. I was just like in the...
Nick, their son, he's
Yeah.
like 6'7" or whatever. So.
Oh my gosh. Anyways.
Yeah, good times. So I'll wear the T-shirt next week.
Coffee time?
Coffee time.
Yeah, let's
So,
taste.
listen, I want to thank Ethical Bean. They sent out, obviously, a beautiful gift package for us and some beans that we hadn't tried before, some that somebody here has tried before, which is the Lush. I've never tried it, so I have no clue what to expect. And then the Exotic, so we'll see what that's all about.
All right, let's get to it. Shall we?
Let's do it.
Oh, look at that pretty color.
And try as I might, having the glass mugs didn't really show you guys the color. It was quite disappointing.
Yeah.
Wow, that's strong. That's got a real bold flavor to it. Holy man. Like
Smoky?
Smoky, strong, yeah. Like I wasn't expecting that. I didn't know what to expect.
Maybe I made it too strong.
I think you made it too strong. It's a very...
Smoky aftertaste.
Yeah, like it's really got a punch to it.
It's got a bit of, I want to say fruit. Almost flowery.
The more I have it, the more I like it. That first sip of it caught me off guard because it's really quite strong.
Yeah.
But once your flavor, you get used to your taste buds get used to the flavor, then it's fine.
It's really neat. This has always been my go-to.
Has it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Try this
Next.
one. Exotic.
Wow. That has...
Way different flavor palette to it.
Yeah, it's not smoky at all. But it has almost like a dried fruit.
Yeah, there's a lot. Right. There's a lot going on, and that's it almost makes me think of like a tropical.
Yeah.
Right.
Kind of.
Right. Like there's okay. If I was choosing between the two, this would be my go-to.
Oh, really?
I like this. This is really good. That one's really... I'm interested to see how the Lush is in the latte, how it holds up, right? Because it's got such a strong flavor note to it. I'm sure you'll probably peek through the latte where they get, fairly muted otherwise.
No doubt.
Yeah.
You really liked mellow.
I did.
Which was also a medium. This is a medium dark. That one is medium also.
The mellow was phenomenal. I love that one. It's... There's like a real citrusy flavor with this one.
Kind of, but it almost reminds me a little bit of...
I like it.
Like a fruit cake or something.
I don't know. I hate fruitcake, so you're not going to get the right answer out of me on that one because I would be going, yeah. The candied fruit and all that. No, it's just wrong.
No. Oh, it's just my taste buds.
No, but I think what you're getting out of it is you're getting all of the different citrusy flavors out of it. Like there's a lot of tropical fruit flavors in here. And you know what? Typically, I've said to you before, I don't usually pick up on the citrus notes and stuff like you do. Like she really zones in on that and can pick it up. I have a hard time with that, but this one here, it's really nice. Okay, we're gonna move that aside. Let's jump into our lattes. Go for it. And a nice design you did. There you go. It's getting there. I can't do those things. I've tried. Every time I make a latte, I try. Wow. Okay, chalk that on the record book. Did you see that, folks? She did not grab the mug. She actually went to grab it and then pulled away and put her hand under herself.
It took huge effort to do that. This is really nice.
Yeah.
I love this.
Okay. As a latte, that is dynamite. That is really nice.
Yeah. It's like the sweetness comes. The sweetness really comes out.
It does.
This is just this is a 3.25% milk.
Natural, right? So it's not like it's a flavored soy.
I changed up the brand.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Ooh.
Where I went, they didn't have Natural.
So what do we got?
Lactancia.
I don't think we've ever had that before. That's really nice. I like that. Let's see how this
It is awesome. Oh. It is really good.
I should just cut that and just keep looping that sound. Oh.
I really enjoyed it. But like I said, it's always been when I buy ethical bean, it's always been my go-to.
Look at you making a mess again. That is really nice as well. A whole different flavor palette, folks. Like whole different flavor palette.
Yeah.
That one there is spectacular as a latte. A little too strong for me is in a pour over black coffee. But the flavor is amazing when you mix it in. This one here, really nice all the way around. Good all the way around.
It is very nice. It is very good.
Yep.
But this just has something else to it.
It does. There's something happens when you put it into a latte that it changes it. Some great news that I'm super, super stoked about. The store has launched, folks. We have the store going. I'm really excited about it at groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca. Link up there for you. It's awesome. We are so excited about this, and it's been a lot of work gone into it. There's going to be products added to it on a regular basis, so what you see is not just what you're going to get. There's going to be a whole whackload more stuff coming into there, and then we're also in the preliminary talks to look to license to do our own line of coffee for Grounds for Divorce.
Interesting.
Little Gene Simmons
entrepreneurial
marketing course. So listen, thank you so much everybody for tuning in. We really appreciate all of your support. Go check out that store. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to click like on this video. Also, we punched through over 4,000 hours viewed by our followers. Thank you so much. As well as over 1,000 subscribers.
Yay! On your birthday.
On my birthday too. That was both events happened on my birthday, so it was a really, really happy day. So awesome. Thank you so much, everybody. We really appreciate it. So don't forget, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the little reminder bell so you don't miss any future content. And you guys have yourself a great week, and we will catch you back here next week for another episode of
Grounds for Divorce. See you then.
Cheers.
Ciao.